It's going to be a wet and chilly over the next few days as a cold front hits South Africa. Johannesburg will not face snowfall, but other parts of the central interior have got warnings for disruptive snow, damaging winds and dangerous waves at the coast.
There's going to be a cold front. However, we are having something more severe, which we call a cut-off low weather system. So that is the dominant weather system that is going to be causing this cold already over the central and southeastern parts of the country. They are feeling it, especially over the Eastern Cape, where today we observe some snowfalls over the extreme mountain peaks. So from tomorrow onwards, we're going to see this rainfall as well as this cold reaching the eastern and the northeastern parts of the country, with isolated to scattered showers and thunder showers over Gauteng, Mpumalanga, Limpopo, as well as the Free State province. In the Lesotho country, for them, that amount of snow is a lot. Never mind it reaching us in South Africa. However, as I said, we are expecting snow over Eastern Cape for today. They've already observed some snow. Luckily for us, it's not as extreme as the one expected in the Lesotho. However, tomorrow we are still expecting to see the snow over the mountainous areas of the Free State, as well as some parts of the KwaZulu-Natal. But for us, it won't be disruptive snow. It will be mostly subjected to the extreme mountain peaks.